That is super, super, I'm going to try it again. Clean spoon. There we go. That is super good. Come on in, welcome to my home. Today we are making something simple that doesn't involve the stove, but it can. Now you can do this completely and totally on your stove top. I'm not going to. I have my bread maker which can do jams. I am just using that. This is a simple syrup that you can use in coffee. You can use it as a simple syrup fizz. It is a 5-spice syrup. It uses cinnamon, star anise, fennel seeds, whole cloves, and peppercorns. All the ingredients are listed down below in the description. So easy to make. Now if you're going to simmer this, you're going to simmer it for about 20 minutes on the stove, stirring, making sure everything doesn't burn. But we're going to do this the easy way. I'm taking my water, sugar, honey, now you can adjust the amount of sugar that you use and honey. The first time that I made this, my mother said it was not sweet enough. She wanted it more sweet, so what mom says, mom gets. Now I'm going to take up my cinnamon sticks, and I'm just going to break those up. Don't worry, we're going to strain all of this. Fennel seeds, cloves, peppercorns. Now if you have Szechuan peppercorns, that'd be really cool. I'm going to put this into my bread maker. I'm going to set mine on the jam setting. You can then put your, if you're doing this on the stove, you want to simmer it till it's a nice thick consistency. But we're going to set this on the jam maker and let it go. Alright, our syrup is done processing. I am going to now just strain this into a jar. Alright, now let's give this warm syrup a taste. That's really good. That is really good. I mean, it has that nice spicy, warm, anisey flavor with the fennel. That is super, super, I'm going to try it again. Clean spoon. There we go. That is super good. Yeah. You could put that over ice cream. You could put that in coffee. You could make it into a 5-spice fizz by just letting it cool down and putting the syrup in with tonic water, with club soda, with Sprite. It really is. It's super spicy. Now, if you make this, let me know. You can get a hold of me on most social media at CM Coleman Home. This is an easy thing that you can just have a nice, you can even put it like with vodka, make a little vodka 5-spice drink. This syrup is so versatile. You can get a hold of me on most social media at CM Coleman Home, and I hope I get to see you again the next time you stop by.